Hello and welcome to demo number 3 of my fishing rod and reel graphic user interface project. And we've really made good strides compared to how it's been. I'll go ahead and run this for you guys now. As you can see, I have some forms now for the species of fish that are going to be caught. Had to make a couple slight adjustments, no big deal, just so we can make time for the project to be finished in time. As you can see, if I run it, take a second. You can see it comes up, still asks, will you be fishing fresh or salt? And if you click salt, it actually takes you to a screen where now instead of the combo box, we just have buttons. And like I said, instead of the combo box, we just have the buttons now. And if you click any of the buttons, like I actually have it coded now to where it'll bring you up. So and here's a little bit about the pinfish. I've got the form down right now. Just need to get the rod and reel selection actually figured out and get a picture of those up. And everything will be ready for my final presentation. Same for the freshwater. Go ahead and run the freshwater for you guys. You can see hit freshwater, and instead of a combo box, we just have buttons now. And we'll just go over, say, look at the trout, and we're still working on getting the information in on the trout, and there it is. But you can see I got everything up right now, just finishing up some last touches, and hopefully I'll have this all done.